Welcome back everybody. Today's tutorial is a super quick and easy vent clips. So first thing you're going to do is you are going to go to the link that I put in the comments in the description, and you're going to copy and paste it, and then it's just going to automatically download the file that you need. And this file is one that I got from svgfree.net if you wanted to check them out. So then you're just going to you're going to upload it into your Cricut design space. I choose complex because I still want all of the colors to show up just like I can see. So then make sure that there's no outline, and there shouldn't be as long as you use mine, and save it as a print and cut image. So now that you have it saved, you want to make sure you add it to your canvas so that then we can go ahead and we can make sure that it's sized correctly. So on the bottom, I've put the width that you're looking for and the height that you're looking for. Once you have it to the correct size, you're going to make a copy, and then you're going to make sure that you flip it horizontally because there's two different clips. Then you're going to save your file, then you can go to make it and you can print it out just like you do any other project. Then once you have that done, you're ready to bake into your Freshie. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial saves you a ton of time. If it was helpful, then feel free to share it with any friends that you know, like, comment, subscribe. All of those things help me out a bunch.